This is Amin from Pedalease Electric Bikes. Today we are going to unbox our latest electric bike conversion kit, which is 1000 to 1500 watt rated motor. It's got built-in controller inside the hub. So let's unbox this. When you open on the top, you got the 7-speed Shimano cork. Okay, just leave it aside for now. And that's all the conversion kit, wiring, cabling and everything is in there. So that's what it is. And this is the hub motor. Okay, let's get all these out from here. So this is a 26-inch version. We got 26-inch, we got 700C, we got the 20-inch version, 27.5-inch version. We also got similar kit in fat bike, 20-inch and 26-inch. So this all can be, you can check this all on our website, pedalease.co.uk. We've got a store in USA as well, but for now these conversion kits are available in UK. We'll very soon have it in USA and in our Indian store as well. Right, okay, that's our new conversion kit which I'm talking about. It's got the hub motor, brushless gearless hub motor, rated 1000 to 1500 watt power. The controller is built inside the motor and comes with waterproof connections. So there is no external controller. Controller is built inside, which gives you a nice and clean, tidy wiring when you're converting your electric bike. Okay, so leave that aside. Let's see what's inside this one. Okay. Yeah, the conversion kit also comes with a front light. So that's the front LED light. It's also got a waterproof connection. And we've got the cabling, which I'll show you in a minute how to connect them one by one. We've got the LCD display. This one is SW900. The conversion kit has a regenerative braking function as well, but it won't show up on the LCD display, but you can feel it as you brake through, as you apply your brakes when the motor is cutting off. So that's the SW900 LCD display. Right. And that's the twist and go throttle. It's got Pedalease sensor. It's got 8 magnets and it's waterproof connection again. You've got the brake levers, cut-off brake levers. So without the brake levers you won't get the regenerative feel, so you need to have the brake levers connected to get the regenerative braking. You can still ride without connecting the brake levers just on a twist and go model, so you just have to connect your throttle to ride the motor. But if you're using the pedal assist, we strongly recommend you use the brake levers for the safety feature, otherwise your motor won't stop and it will drain your battery as well. That's the mounting bracket for the light, front light, and there's some screws in there These screws are basically for the disc. You already have screws up here, so you might not need this, but you can keep it as an spare. So it comes with a 160 mm disc router, okay, and you also provide a brake shoe. You just want to use this. And finally, we've got some wiring harness, cable ties, just there. Yeah, so that's all it is. The box. Okay, now I'm just going to quickly show you how to do the connections. The connections are quite straightforward because they're all matching connectors, male and female, and they're all waterproof. So let me just take the cable tie off. So just be careful when you're taking the cable tie off. Don't cut the wire. So otherwise you will end up damaging motor hall sensors or motor cables, and that might not work. Okay. All right. So this is the motor hall sensor, motor cable. It's got the hall sensor wires and the 3 motor phase wires in there. That's your pedal assist sensor. So this cable is coming off. The yellow one is for your pedal assist, and that's the motor phase wires. So they're all waterproof connections. Okay. Right, I'll just show you how to connect this. So find this cable. Okay, this has got the male connections here, the female ones, and when you look at, there's a marking on the connector. So you see that arrow up here, and there's an arrow up here. Okay, so that's the arrow. You've got to make sure this matches, otherwise you end up connecting it in the wrong way, and it might not connect. So it needs to be aligned properly. So I'll just push this through. So you see there, easy, push through, push it firm so it's nice and secure, and you can fasten this cap on so it's threads up. It's nice and tight. Okay, so that's done, and you got your pedal assist. So as I said, that's the pedal assist. So that will be these two, and again it's got the arrows here. You can see that arrow pointing, so you need to check the arrow on the other one. So that's the one. So you can just get these two together and connect it. Okay, so that's your pedal assist. So your main cable coming down from your handlebar, which has connections for your LCD, for your brake levers, and for your throttle, is right at this one. So that's the one you can see there. The green one is basically for the LCD, the 2 red are for the cut-off brake sensors, and the yellow one is for the throttle. So leave this aside. On the other side you got the main wires coming from your motor, which will go into there. So that's the connector you need to be connecting in. Again, you need to always make sure you're looking at the arrows on the connector when you're connecting it, so you don't go wrong. So that's the arrow pointing up there, so just turn it up, and that's the arrow on the other side. So just push through these two, and that will connect properly. so you can hear a click, and that's done the job. So if you end up in bending one of the connectors which is inside, then your motor might not run. So you need to be very careful when you're connecting it, making sure you're just aligning it properly. Okay. Now that's all done on this side. So let's go and connect the LCD. So that's two wires coming on from the LCD. One is for your light, the red one, and the green